Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best commercial treadmill that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the NordicTrack TSeries Treadmill. The NordicTrack TSeries Treadmill comes with an interactive high-definition 10-inch screen, which can stream the hugely popular workout app, iFit, on demand, providing highly motivating workouts directly to your unit. This sturdy beast has a 20x50-inch tread belt and can accommodate weights of up to 300 pounds, while its Flex Select cushioning simulates a real road running experience. One of the thousands of happy reviewers wrote, "It looks like it belongs in a commercial gym, yet it fits perfectly in my small gym, which is the size of my smallest bedroom." Moving on at number 4, we have the NordicTrack Commercial Treadmill. For any small gym, whether at home, the office, or the warehouse, the latest NordicTrack treadmill is definitely a safe bet. This high-quality model has a 10-inch interactive HD touchscreen at the heart of the machine and displays workouts, visual tours across the world, and, of course, the distance, heart rate tracking you'd expect. Many reviewers mentioned how quiet this treadmill is too. It even comes with a free 1-year iFit membership, which would normally set you back $40 a month. One buyer, who has had this machine for over 6 months, commented, "The treadmill is phenomenal and not at all rickety. I feel really safe using it, it's still really quiet, boots up right away. I really like that it records my workouts so I can see progress." At number 3, we have the XTERRA Fitness Folding Treadmill. Described as heavy, solid, and well-made, the XTERRA Fitness TRX 4500 is another highly rated treadmill that can take a battering and still keep going. It has plenty of inbuilt programs to help improve fitness levels, and clearly feedbacks all the essential tracking stats, including time, speed, pace, distance, calories, incline, and pulse. One reviewer wrote, "This is an incredibly solid treadmill which replaced my last treadmill of 15 years. I walk 4 days and run 3 days a week, around 3 miles daily. It has all the settings and accessories and the belt is large enough for me to run fast on. It's very high quality for its price. My hubby says he can't hear me running in the next room." At number 2, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Treadmill. For an at-home treadmill that is both sturdy and foldable so you can store it away under a bed or in a smaller closet, this Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill is a great option. It has the usual features of a basic model, including a digital monitor that displays speed, time, distance, calories and more, is heavier than it looks, and is a stellar alternative if you don't want to pay thousands for a top-of-the-line unit. Customers have praised the machine for its easy setup and auto incline feature, which adjusts at the touch of a bottom, rare for lower-grade models. Although the machine comes with Bluetooth, AUX-compatible speakers, this is not its best feature, but at this price, you can't really have it all. And finally at number 1, we have the ANCHEER Treadmill. The ANCHEER Treadmill is a smart unit allowing you to connect to FitShow, a popular app developed for indoor and outdoor fitness, via Bluetooth. It is also very powerful with a 3.25 horsepower motor and large belt area that supports a maximum weight of 300 pounds. Another nice feature is the soft drop system, which will help prevent damage to the floor when unfolding. Complete with a clear multi-function LCD screen that includes a heart sensor, this machine ensures fitness success as it's enjoyable to use, and one customer explained, "My cholesterol has gone from 5.1 to 3.2. It's really helped me change my life in a short space of time." Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.